told you in the last SEO video, it's a massive chapter that will continue. So, we will continue our SEO journey again today. Without any further delay, let's dive into the topic. Hello, this is Mori from ASLBPO and today we will talk about how SEO works.
Before we start, please hit the subscribe button, and if you're in YouTube, click on the alert notification.
Search engine optimization makes your content more visible to potential audiences. However, if you want to take your service at the top of the SERP, you have to optimize your SEO properly based on the targeted keywords. How search engine work? Search engines takes a lot of preparation work. If your targeted keywords show on the top of the SERP, it seems like your SEO contents are working accordingly, and Google has successfully indexed them. Number 1. Crawling. The method search engine uses to find your website pages is known as crawling. Search engines crawl to hundreds of billion pages through web crawlers known as the search engine bot or spiders. These bots visit each pages of the website and read the URL to find a new content and add it to their index, which we also call as cafeine, which is a massive database of the URLs from where they have retrieved the best information that our searchers seek information for. Number 2. Indexing. This is where the search engine store and organize the contents that they found in the crawling process. It is one of the most important functions. If your website is not on index, then it will not appear in the searches. Search engines don't store all the information on their indexes, but they keep things like title and the description of the page, type of the contents, associated keywords, and number of incomings and outgoing links. And lastly, ranking. Here we can find the best answer for each search query, which means that results are arranged from most relevant to the least relevant. When a user conducts a search, a method for ranking matches result is also required by search engines. This is the job of search algorithm. These algorithms are in charge of deciding which page to show in what order. The higher the website is ranked, the more important the search engine thinks that site to the query. Let's give you an example for better understanding. I bought a new place and decided to make it as a library. So I ordered books from different parts of the country. I have 3 people who will help me to organize my library. When the truck of books came, the first person went to fetch the books and he kept the books in the library. The first person is the crawler. Like the bot, he received all the books. After the pile of books was kept in the library, I asked the second person to organize the pile of books. He managed the book, and as I asked him, he keeps the books in alphabetical way, genre, or in other languages. Second person is the index function. Thirdly, the third person is kept in the front. When a client or audience comes, he is asked to give what they want. As one said, she needs a book of economics, which is the best. The third person went to the shelves and found the book that the client asked for. The third person is the ranking. I hope you get the whole process. For doing this 3-person work, you can hire an agency to do the work. And ASLBPO can be a great choice for you. How do search engines crawl your site? You might be thinking about how you should tell the search engine to crawl your site. As Google has 72.86% market share, most people search on Google. To tell Google which site or page to crawl, you can use the robot.txt file from the root directory of your website, which will help you to find which page to crawl in the search engine and which is not. How do search engine indexes your site? Once you have crawled your site, it's time to index it. It doesn't necessarily mean that your site is discovered after crawling. Data should be stored in an index to find your page in the search engine. The search engine renders a page once a crawler locates it, the same way a browser would. The search engine examines the information on that page. When it does this, the index of that file contains all the data We can tell the search engine to index your site through the meta tags. The most used meta tags are the robot tags and the ex-robot tag. How do search engines rank our pages? Using search algorithms, search engines rank the pages of any website. Google uses many ranking factors which were never disclosed to anyone. But after doing some digging, I found some points that are the most used ranking factors like backlinks, relevance, freshness, page speed, and mobile friendliness. There are more than 255 algorithms that Google uses to rank the pages. Even it personalizes the searches based on your location, language, and search history. Today we have covered the basic of crawling, indexing, and ranking. In SEO, while we do the SEOs for the clients, we always emphasize in these three functions very carefully. We also prioritize long tail keywords with specific search intents and higher conversion rates by building your backlinks through guest blogging and good referrals. If you like our videos, consider subscribing us. See you in the next video. Stay safe and stay with SEO. Adios everyone.